I used my TikTok money when I made the money the way I did. I used the TikTok money. Uh, I used the TikTok money to pay all my credit cards off. I paid every credit card. I had like, let's say about $8,500 with credit cards, somewhere around there. Paid every last one of them off. That's all. But I used that TikTok money for that. I didn't use this money, that money. I used the TikTok money for that. You know what I mean? So just when you have multiple streams, you can pick what stream is paying what. I'm using this money to do this pay my bills, this pay this money pay my. So then you need about 4-5 streams of income, really. You know what I'm saying? You got to have 4-5 streams of income, because you don't want one stream to be trying to pay all these different things. So work on that. Work on getting one stream. Okay, $500-$600 a month. That's good, because you ain't doing nothing but eating out, blowing. Buying a couple of wigs. This wig right here, I got another one I'm gonna be wearing tomorrow. You're just blowing money just for that, but you're not using it out of this money. You're using it out of another stream of income that you're doing. I'm only doing collabs so I can have something to spend on my wigs and my little shoes. I went to buy some shoes today. Bought like 3 pair of shoes. Oh, one for my daughter, 2 for me. You know what I mean? Like, you only using the money out of your collabs for your blowing money. You blowing all this little stuff. If you want to eat out, don't take your money out of your check and eat out. You want to eat out, use your collab money. You may start out charging the people $20 a pop if you want to. Then you go to charging them $40 a pop or whatever. And then you might start charging them $100 a pop. I charge $40 a pop for a reason, because I get paid on the back end too. When the sales is made, I still get my Amazon commissions or whatever. So not being greedy is what keeps me making money. You know what I mean? Not being greedy is what keeps me making money. Somebody may be charging more, but they might not be getting as many deals, but I know how long it's going to take me before I even accept it. Because I'm not going to accept nothing. If you're going to take me 4-5 hours to do a video on this thing, I'm not accepting the thing. Why would I accept it? So you got all these choices. You know what I mean? You have choices when you start doing this. You have the control. And I don't do things just because they offer me a certain amount of money. They call it UGC. I don't do user-generated content because they offer you a certain amount of money, but they want so much out of you. It's almost like you working a job. If you want to work a job, I don't work a job. So I don't want to be feeling like I'm working a job just because you paid me $1,000. It's not worth it to me. It's not worth it for me to make $1,000 and feel like I got to work a job. I'm not taking your script. You gonna send me a script. I'm the marketing person, and you sending me a script on how you want to. I don't do it like that. So some people do, some people don't. Everybody got their own preference on the internet. But if you offer me a certain amount and I accept that certain amount, that video, if I would have just accepted a certain amount, this person decide they want to pay you, let's say $2,000. You think it's good money. Oh yeah, they gave me $2,000 just to do a video. But like I said, that one video turned around and made me $8,000 one month, $6,000 the next month, $4,000 the next month. You only accepted $2,000, so now they can take your video and do whatever they want to with it and run it to the ground, and you don't make a dime past the $2,000 because all you could see was $2,000. You just gotta learn how to think about this type of stuff. I'd rather take a little bit up front and be tied in to every sale than to take a lot up front and then disconnect myself from every sale. People are so greedy that they don't even know what they're doing. You tie yourself in, that you charge them, oh, I got paid $2,000 for this. Then they ran your video and that video converted and that video made them $200,000. So instead of you being okay with the 10% commissions, you just settle for the $2,000 up front because you're only thinking about up front right now today. That's not how I do it. And that's how some people do it, and that's great. I don't do it like that because I like to be tied in. Like I said, a video that I made about a mattress or a mattress topper back in December, just made a sale a while ago. A dresser back in December just made a sale a while ago. If I would have just charged them up front and let them do what they want to do, they'd have still been making sales, and I'd have been disconnected because of how you structure your deals and how you connect with people and how you work it out. I'm not doing that. I'm not going to keep me connected. My little 10% ain't hurting you. If I make you $200,000, you can't give me $20,000. You know what I mean? So that's the way I like mine. I like to be tied in. Just give me a little something so I can take my time present my video, give it my all, give you a good video, and then guess what? Let me make my commission on the back end. That's what I'm gonna do. That's the way I like to do mine. But y'all, it is so hot. And I feel like I done said all I can say.